Hi there, second graders. Great job finishing your Sunday. I just want you to take a look at this and check your work. Thanks to Ms. Larson, I figured out how to type on the PDF, so it was much easier. So here I have boat. Going with boat goes crow, whole, road, only, and growth. So they all make the O sound. Then I have took, shook, good, wool, crook, hood, then town, so making the ow sound, howl, plow, frown, brow, crowd. So make sure those are all correct on yours. If you need to hit the pause button to check, hit the pause button. Then the second part, I have ah, the ah sound, ache, the long A, and the short A. So under draw, I have lawn, crawl, call, saw, stall. Then under make, the long A sound, I have play, fade, trade, they, stay. And under badge, the short A sound, I have fact, have, clap, ramp, and match.